A world without teachers? Wouldn't it be cool? We could sit in a box. No need for a school. The kids get a brain box. Every college, too. They have the answers. Teachers, nothing to do. Robots run the brain box. This will be a treat. No lessons and no books. We hear beep, beep, beep. I started to learn stuff, like what is 2 plus 3? I stayed inside the brain box, never thinking I was free. The brain box must be broken. I was a weird creature. My brain box never helped me. I miss my old teacher.